If you're watching this, listen to me. Don't let your corn go this long. I've been glancing over at this corn, and you know, I knew they were small. Like I said, I crowded them in here, so you know, I knew that. But yeah, I don't know why I hadn't pulled them before now, but they shouldn't be, you know, losing color like this, right? Unless you're trying to save them for seed or something. Let's see, look. This one has has a bad spot in it, but I'll cut that out. So you see how it's kind of shriveling up? It's getting ready to, well, getting ready, it's already starting to dry out. And that's why, like, when you buy corn seed or buy kernels for seed, they're all shriveled up because they're dry. See that? Let me see. This one's got some spots on it. Get one of these little bitty ones. I can open this with one hand. This one still has a lot of color on it though, and a lot of moisture in it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you see that? Those are like teeth. But anyway, you see how they do have a little bit of puckering in the middle, but they don't look like, sorry, I'm itching a little bit. They don't look like this though. You see how those are just like drawing in. Sorry. Look at that. Look at that. See the difference? So yeah, don't let your, if you're harvesting corn to eat fresh, you really don't need to let it get this color. It should still be green when you pull it. But, you know, it is what it is. I will still be able to eat this because depending on how I cook it, I mean, I'll add some moisture back to it, you know, cooking it anyway, so it'll be fine. It's just not, it's not ideal. So don't do that. Alright, that's it for now. I don't think I have anything else I need to, I don't have anything else to harvest right now. I did get a couple of tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and take those in. And there are a few of the San Marzanos out here, but I'm going to let those ripen more on the vine before I pull them. No okra today. And let's see. Here's the state of those two melons. Those are the only two. Like, I saw some little ones, but as far as I could tell, none of those smaller ones that I saw have actually sized up. They're just kind of sitting, so I don't know if, am I only going to get these two? Who knows? I don't want to give you a full-on tour right now, but I will say, oh look, pepper's got flowers on it. I was just going to tell you that the beans have flowers now. This is the one that I have going up overhead. See this right here? It's coming from that other pole. Just need to wrap it back around. Keep it coming like this. There's another one back there that I need to wrap. And make sure I wrap it the right way. Sorry, y'all. There was some bug on there and it fell off on me. Okay. So yeah, I'm just wrapping it. I'm just wrapping them around each other. Same thing on this one over here. It's a bunch on this one. But yeah. Looks like they are finally starting to flower though. So I'm looking forward to that. Because up to this point, I mean, they've been growing really well. But I have not had any beans on them, any pods on them, so I'm happy to see some flowers finally showing up. And I didn't bring y'all out here for a tour, but I do want to say this. So I already scattered some sunflower seeds. When I say scattered, I actually placed sunflower seeds off in here. So I've been trying to water it, keep it watered. Hopefully I have a nice little sunflower bed over here. I don't see any of them coming up. And some of those sunflower seeds I had were a few years old too, so there's that as well. So I don't know if they just haven't come up or if they're not coming up because they're old. But yeah, I do have plans to try to put something in here once this, well, now this corn is done. There are a few little bitty ones still on here, like that one. Well, those two. And then there's one over there. See that? So I'm leaving those on, and I'll, you know, if I don't forget about them, I'll come get them at some point. Trying to let them get a little bigger, hopefully. But yeah, I think that's it. We'll just see. We'll see what the sunflowers do over here. Hopefully they come up and I'll have a nice bed of flowers right here. I think that corn was a bit much for the beans that I put around. So, I mean, they came up. Most, if not all of them, came up. But, you know, they should be bigger than what they are at this point. So that is what it is. I'm going to get plenty off these pole beans, hopefully. And I did put some beans over where I took the garlic out. And I fertilized that and all of that as well. So hopefully we'll get beans from other places. And let me show you one last thing. Okay, I just wanted to show you this zucchini, not zucchini, this yellow squash that I have over here. And I was going to say that I haven't had any females in a while, but then here are a couple. Because that little one looks like it's going to be a female too. So I think, you know, it got pretty hot. It was like we went from a bunch of rain to just straight heat. So it makes sense that it kind of slowed down, but happy to see we got some coming. So maybe it'll keep going. All right, that's it. Bye.